everyone, it's Shannon. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button because I bring you new DIYs, tutorials, and new inspiration every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And before we get started, I wanted to thank Top Cashback for sponsoring today's video. Now let's go ahead and get started with our fall Dollar Tree DIY. Alright, so in today's video, I am going to decorate this tiered tray right here using supplies all from the Dollar Tree. So yes, I have this whole table filled with Dollar Tree decor and craft supplies. I actually did a haul on all of this, so if you want to check that out, I'll link that down below. And then you can kind of see in more detail what all I have here. I have a few items like this blanket here that was not in that haul. These are buffalo check scarves that were not in that haul. And then I have 3 buckets back there that I just did another tutorial on. So if you want to check that out, I'll link that down below as well. And one of the things that I hear a lot in my DIYs and haul videos that include Dollar Tree supplies is that you guys are not able to find a lot of these items in your Dollar Trees. And this is where Top Cashback comes in really handy. They have an app. They also have a website you can go to online. And all you need is your email address and a password to get logged in. You find Dollar Tree within their app or online website, and it will bring you to this page that says Get Cashback Now, and it shows you that you actually will get 4% cash back from online purchases. You click this red button. It says, please hold on for 1 second. It's going to transfer you over to Dollar Tree's online store. So not only are you getting great deals by shopping at Dollar Tree on all of their great bargains, but you're also going to save 4% on your online purchase. So these pumpkins and these signs here are all in my haul back there. There's all kinds of things. So if you cannot find some of the items that I'm going to share with you today, head over to Top Cashback, click over to the Dollar Tree, and you'll be able to shop online, save by shopping at Dollar Tree, and also save really easily with Top Cashback. Another really wonderful thing is that they have over 4,000 retailers on their app and website. So chances are you're going to find your favorite retailers on this app. And that includes Target, Walmart, Dollar General, and even Kirkland's, which is where my tiered tray is from. I get lots of questions about that. So all you have to do is go into their website or app and find Kirkland's. This one says that you get 3% cash back. You click Get Cash Back Now. It will take you over to the Kirkland's website. You can shop away and be saving money at the same time. They are offering my viewers a special sign-up bonus. You will get $10 plus your earned cash back. All you have to do is spend $25 on your first purchase through their app or website. And the even more great thing about it is they do not have a minimum payout, so you can use your earned cash back anytime you'd like. So I know everyone sort of has their own different kind of taste. I love everything. So today I'm gonna do 2 different designs. I'm gonna do one more of the traditional fall, and the other I'm going to do more of a muted farmhouse style. So let's get to decorating. And here is a look at the tiered tray first, or before I start decorating, so you can see it just plain and blank. And we're gonna work on the traditional fall color tiered tray design first. I always like to work with the larger items first, so I added this cute little sign to the top and then the metal buckets to the bottom. I tucked in one of these scarves to add some accent with the buffalo check that's so popular right now. And the bigger bucket on the bottom, I added 3 of the velvet pumpkins in the traditional orange color. I also added another sign to the bottom, a ceramic pumpkin, a little hay bale to add some height, and a couple candles as well. The sunflowers add some color and give it some life, and then also some fall leaves tucked in here and there around the ceramic pumpkin and candle holder that I added to the top as well. I absolutely love that you can use inexpensive items like these from the Dollar Tree to really get a high-end look. So you can stay on budget while still getting a beautiful decorative piece for your home's fall decor. And all of this only cost about $16 total. Now we're going to move on to the farmhouse style tiered tray. I'm using the buffalo check scarf as a table runner here. And then onto the tiered tray, I'm adding some leftover drop cloth that I had on hand, but you could tea stain some t-shirts from the Dollar Tree to get a similar look. To the top of the tray, I'm adding my Hello Fall Ray Dunn style bucket and a clear vase from the Dollar Tree. And to the bottom, I'm adding my buffalo check handmade bucket and another bucket that I used in the previous tiered tray design. The neutral toned flowers and burlap pumpkins and white and brown velvet pumpkins really keep this with that neutral theme. Adding different textures really gives this tiered tray a lot of character, such as the natural hay bale, the ceramic pumpkin, and a metallic pumpkin too. And here's the look of the tiered tray. The green stem is not from the Dollar Tree, so I wanted to give you a look at it with only Dollar Tree supplies. I really liked the way the green pops on this. It really gives this tiered tray some added life, and you can find that at Hobby Lobby. But the Dollar Tree also does have green floral stems, so you can check that out too if you'd like to add a little bit of greenery to a neutral tiered tray like this. I hope that this tutorial inspired you. If it did, please take a second and give it a thumbs up for me. And let me know down in the comments below which one of these tiered trays is more your style. The more traditional orange tiered tray or the neutral farmhouse style. Thanks again to Top Cashback for sponsoring today's video. I'll have that link down in the description box below if you want to sign up and save more on your everyday purchases. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I have more DIY tutorials that you may be interested right here next to me. Thanks so much again, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.